Hello everyone and welcome to Prepare to Write. My name is Dr. Allie Johnston, and in this video we will be discussing understanding genre. So let's jump in. So first let's define what is a genre and what is a genre analysis. Genres act as categories that help us know what to expect. Genre analysis can help you understand the purpose, structure, and style of different types of texts, and how they influence or persuade your audience. Genres are all around us in our everyday life through movies, podcasts, commercials, social media posts, etc. And in the academic world, we may encounter genres such as a scholarly article, letter, essay, annotated bibliography, report, and more. So what are the steps for completing a genre analysis? First, it's important to collect samples of the genre. The more samples you can compare, the more accurately you can see the complexity of the genre and begin to notice patterns. Secondly, identify the rhetorical situation. It's important to ask yourself, where does the genre appear? What topics does the genre focus on? Who uses this genre? Think about the creator of the genre and the readers of the genre. Third, discover patterns. What information is typically included, excluded? How does the genre consider the use of ethos, pathos, and logos? Do the examples of the genre follow a similar tone? What's considered appropriate versus inappropriate? How is the information delivered? What format is used? Finally, it's important in a genre analysis to draw your own conclusions. What values does the genre's audience seem to hold? What are the general expectations of that genre? So we see genres through podcasts, through movies, and we may follow the steps of completing a genre analysis by collecting a few of those and listening to them or watching them. For example, in a podcast, we may expect certain elements of that genre, such as intro and outro music, a guest speaker, more of a conversational tone, show notes, links to products they recommend, etc. Movie genres can include things like comedy, horror, thriller. Next, we'll look at analyzing the genre of a social media post. So things that we may expect to see in a social media post based on collecting numerous articles could include an image, some sort of music, a caption, perhaps with hashtags, emojis, other tags in the picture of other users, and comments and interactions from users. Now let's apply our genre analysis to this specific Instagram post. This was created by Govs Football, Austin Peay's football team. First, I may collect different samples of this genre of college football teams and their Instagram posts, seeing what can we expect. Next, I would discover the rhetorical situation. Who made the post and who is their intended audience? Here it's recognizing Austin Peay's seniors on the football team, so perhaps it's more geared towards fellow students, players, even alum and parents of players. I'll also take a look at things that I can see in the post. So the use of emojis, hashtags, tags on the image, and comments. Next, I'll note recurring patterns that may also occur in other posts, as we just mentioned, the tags and emojis. Finally, I'll draw my own conclusions about what those patterns tell me about expectations in that genre. I can expect some sort of team or on-the-field element post. I can expect hashtags and the little Govs hat and football emoji, perhaps. These allow me to know expectations of the genre of an Instagram post. If you have any questions about understanding your genre or how to make use of feedback to revise your work, please contact your professor or visit the APSU Writing Center located on the first floor of the Felix G. Woodward Library.